and this is talking about a subject that has been pretty close to, I won't say my heart, but our hearts when we were like at Nordis as well, and something that we have been tracking closely. And I just wanted to see like what is the reaction that all of us have now, and how do we get it like implemented all across. So okay, the topic is how to measure developer productivity. And again, as you would imagine, that this is something that is being talked about. Well, it has been being talked about in the industry for a long time. There isn't a consensus that okay, this is the way to do it. So the agenda that I'll go through is the challenge. Why is it hard? Then we'll talk about the report that actually ignited a lot of movement around this topic again. Then we'll talk about a couple of like formulas or a couple of philosophies that actually allow us to work developer productivity. Uh, then we'll also talk about the fallout of the McKinsey report and how people are reacting to that, and then converge on some kind of DevX um mechanism that the industry is moving towards. Again, as I said, that there is no consensus, and probably then we could have a quick discussion around how should we want to do that and take it from there. So I'll just get started. Again, like this time, I'm just trying to use it in Notion, just trying to see how it works. So I'll put all my research over here, and did not, put it in a presentation, because I just wanted to see when Jeff Bezos says that they have banned PPTs at Amazon, how does it feel like? So let me know, how does it go? Okay, so the challenge is that if we compare all the other critical functions in an organization, and then we talk about software development, there is lack of measurement, and this is something that has been always a challenge in many organizations. So uh, functions like sales and customer operations, they have been, you can measure them, or rather, like we think that we can measure them. So CEOs, they say that they can measure recruiting, why not software development? So that is the challenge. Now, the reason why it is always so difficult to measure developer productivity is because inherently, like the philosophy is that inherently humans are messy. They are hard to understand, and even harder to measure. So it is complicated. And engineering by itself, software engineering by itself, is complex, and it is a creative task. Now, it is always going to be very hard to measure creativity, and the fact that any knowledge worker is generally hard to measure, and it is not a technical problem. So if it is not a technical problem, there cannot be just a formula through which we can just